Hello, my beloved people. This is Mama K from the Nobus Trivi. Nigeria weather. That is what is my vlog for today. The weather in Nigeria. I'm having serious heat. To say heat is I don't know how to say this. Actually, it's not sweat. I'm just wearing something like aloe vera gel to protect your face for to not get so dry. In this hot weather our face will get so much dry. So, and also you can take vitamins like omega-3, vitamin C to protect the weather. I just want to say something about Nigeria. It's not only Nigeria is hot too. It's all, I think basically most of the African country is hot. So how I survive, overcome all the heat in this Nigeria, I just want to share something about my tips how to keep hydrated. We have the same weather in Malaysia. We have hot and raining season, so the same thing. But I don't know, in Malaysia I don't feel this kind of heat, but in this Nigeria I feel too much heat. Okay, what I used to eat during this hot weather, it's fruits and vegetable. I think in Delta State most of them they don't like vegetable, but they have one kind of leaf, they call it ujuju leaf. That is what they used to eat, and in English they call it Veronica comforter. They eat that thing. Maybe it really helps them to cool themselves. But in my country we have a lot of vegetable, a lot. We have broccoli, we have cauliflower, we have only leaf, we have plenty of leaf. Even moringa leaf is very good. You can try to cook it, or you can try to eat it. Like me, I used to eat moringa leaf with keisha. You can do some kind of sauce, you can eat it, but it really helps. It's really nice. Fruits, my people, fruits. You people should grab more fruits. The one thing I enjoy in this Nigeria is mango, my dear. I love mango, and also avocado. Avocado is so sweet. In my country avocado is very expensive, but here is cheap and I like it. Avocado, mango, watermelon, papaya, banana, all this kind of thing. You can just do smoothies, put more ice cubes, you can drink it in this hot weather. It really helps. And cucumber too. Cucumber is very good, and you can do cucumber juice. You can put tomato juice. You can even drink tomato juice. It is all this juice is really happy. Even Hollandia yogurt is nice. I like it. And you can drink Hollandia yogurt, fresh yogurt. You can mix it with your juice. You can drink it. You can blend it, and drink it like that. And you can keep it in the fridge, so you can drink it cool. So try it, my people. You will love it. This coconut water, I used to take it every day, early morning, to keep myself hydrated, and I really plant it in my house. So if you people don't have a tree in your house, you people can buy it outside, and please take young coconut. It's very good for your body. Try to wear a bit lighter clothes, because clothes can make us to heat. So try to wear like singlet or t-shirt, or short, to avoid all the heat in our body, because some heavy clothes can give us rash. Sometimes people have rash in our body, because of heaty rash. So try to avoid all the heavy clothes. Not only during thirsty, you will drink water. Water is very important for your body. Try to take it every time. Water is very important, so drink plenty of water. Water, please teach your children to drink plenty of water. That is very important. Maybe they can carry a big bottle of water to school. People, if you're going out in the hot sun, if you're walking, try to carry umbrella along, because umbrella really helps. And also cap, you can use face cap, understand. And maybe the beach hat. I prefer the beach hat is because it's too big. You can use it down one to avoid the direct sun. Not only I know why Nigerians most of them, they like to sit under the tree, because when you sit under the tree, you are actually catching fun. And also, this tree, they naturally they have something like water from the tree will cover us and to make ourselves calm and cool. And even your mood will change while you are sitting under the tree. Most of them, they like to sleep under the tree. So actually take break. If you feel like eat or anything, just go under the tree and take a rest. And mostly, this one I really need to tell you people, use fan. Use fan. It really helps you inside the house, indoor. So you can use your fan, your AC, your air condition. You can on it to keep yourself warm, and to keep yourself cool, to keep yourself cool and to make your house a bit cool. Try to splash some water in your skin, whenever you feel heat. So you just splash some water in your skin, or you can take shower, you can take cold water shower, and it really helps. It really helps during taking meat really make us to have heat in our body. Naturally, meats really bring out heat in our body. Like me, I used to eat a lot of fish and chicken, so that one really helped me. So if you people feel like heat, try to avoid red meat. Some people have skin tags. I don't know if you people know skin tags in their face and in their body. I don't think so. It's because of the hot weather. Some people used to say it's because of cholesterol. No, but many people I see in this Nigeria, they have skin tags. So in our country, we use tea tree oil to apply in that skin tags, or you will go for laser treatment. It's very cheap. The treatment is just one day, just remove all the skin tags. It really is this car we have tinted, but here where we have black tinted. I think normally the road safety people used to stop us at the express road, but in my country, tinted it's allowed to use it. So that one is really help us inside the car, you understand, to avoid the direct sun. So I just pity for all these some officers in the roadside. They used to stand in the road in the hot sun, and the car, sometimes they don't allow us to use the tinted. Maybe in future, maybe they will have a new rules that they will allow us to use this tinted. But tinted is car tinted is very important, because in this Nigeria it's damn hot. Stay tuned and keep watching my channel. Another thing, my people, even lotion. I feel like during the hot weather, we should not use lotion, because lotion even can make our skin dark. So normally, if I take shower with cold water, I just use aloe vera gel and also some powder to make yourself cool, because lotion you can use it in the night, or maybe before you go to sleep, but lotion really can make our skin dark. So try to avoid lotion during the hot weather. Try to eat ice cream, my people. Ice cream really helps too. Sometimes we need some cool things to enter our throat, so try to eat a lot of ice cream. If you get ice creams near your place, try to take some ice cream. Ice cream really, if possible, you people need to go enter inside swimming pool. If you have swimming pool in your house, try to enter and swim. This weather really needs swimming pool though. We need to go enter inside swimming pool. I don't know, my people, I just feel like Nigeria don't have coronavirus. I don't know, maybe it's because of the weather, or the hot weather here can kill all the viruses in this Nigeria. I mean in our body. It really kills. In my country, many people are dying because of the coronavirus, but I don't know, in this Nigeria, I never faced anyone in my street or in my state. I never have one cases of coronavirus. Thanks for watching, my people. This is Mama K again. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.